AI Beat, your daily deep dive into the latest in artificial intelligence and tech innovation. Subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter for real-time updates and insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Now, let's explore what's shaping the AI landscape this week. Meanwhile, in materials science, physics-based machine learning is opening new frontiers. Researchers have shown how this approach accelerates the development of advanced 3D printed materials for engineering applications. Rapid prototyping and customization become more feasible, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing and design. Lastly, Nebius is scaling AI infrastructure to supercomputing levels. Their new cloud-based AI factories combine the simplicity of cloud with the raw power of supercomputers, supporting massive AI workloads and innovation. This infrastructure will be pivotal for organizations seeking to push the limits of AI capabilities. What all these stories have in common is a relentless push toward more capable, ethical, and scalable AI systems. From data analytics and probabilistic modeling to infrastructure and materials science, each development is a piece of a larger puzzle, one where technology and responsibility advance hand in hand. As we look ahead, these trends remind us that AI's impact is not just about the technology itself, but about how it's integrated into society, governed responsibly, and harnessed for the greatest good. Thanks for tuning in. What trend do you think will shape your strategy next? Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more updates on the future of AI. Artificial intelligence continues to accelerate at an unprecedented pace, transforming industries and raising new questions about ethics, infrastructure, and innovation. Today, we'll take a look at some of the most significant developments from October 14th, 2025 that are shaping the future of AI. First up, imagine making sense of vast amounts of data with ease. Oracle has just unveiled a new suite of AI-powered analytics features, including their Oracle Analytics AI Assistant. This tool is designed to simplify data exploration and insight generation, making advanced analytics more accessible for enterprise users. As organizations grapple with increasing data complexity, such solutions are becoming essential for informed decision-making, turning raw data into actionable intelligence effortlessly. Meanwhile, in the realm of probabilistic machine learning, researchers have made a breakthrough. They've developed a reinforced sequential Monte Carlo method that dramatically improves sampling efficiency. This approach enables faster, more accurate inference in complex models, which is vital for scalable AI applications. This innovation promises to accelerate progress in fields that rely on probabilistic reasoning, from robotics to financial modeling. But as AI grows more powerful, so do concerns about its ethical implications. Stanford's Institute for Human-Centered AI is sounding the alarm. They're calling on the United Nations to establish global standards for AI ethics, emphasizing the worsening bias present in many current models. The signal here is clear. International cooperation is crucial to ensure AI systems are fair, accountable, and aligned with human values. Without coordinated efforts, the risks of bias and misuse will only increase. Data privacy remains a pressing issue. The California Privacy Protection Agency has introduced tighter regulations under the CCPA, requiring organizations to conduct proactive privacy risk assessments and maintain detailed documentation of data processing activities. These rules are part of a broader push toward transparency and accountability in handling personal data, especially as AI systems become more embedded in everyday life. Supporting responsible AI deployment, a new data governance platform is emerging. It offers comprehensive audit trails and governance tools to track data usage and ensure compliance with evolving regulations. This kind of infrastructure is critical for organizations aiming to build trust with users and regulators alike, ensuring that AI systems operate transparently and ethically. On the cloud front, Oracle's infrastructure is attracting the world's leading AI startups and enterprises. They're building next-generation AI solutions on Oracle Cloud, leveraging its scalability and performance. This demonstrates how robust cloud platforms are fueling the next wave of AI breakthroughs, enabling innovation at a global scale. In healthcare, AI continues to demonstrate transformative potential. Pretty Good AI is showcasing its Clinic Intelligence platform at the Thrive Summit, designed to automate clinical workflows and improve patient outcomes. As healthcare providers adopt these advanced tools, AI driven automation promises to make care delivery more efficient and personalized. In the hardware realm, machine learning is revolutionizing chip design. An interview with Lorenzo Servade highlights how AI is optimizing semiconductor manufacturing, leading to smarter, faster, and more efficient chips. This progress is essential as demand for powerful, energy efficient hardware grows across all sectors.